Are you making Papa a present? Yeah. She's been tearing up paper for like 5 minutes and just want to get into Tim's boots. Yeah, I'm talking about you. And no, thank you. You can have it. Put some more in Papa's boots. And somehow she managed to get her foot outside of her footed pajama. Where's your foot? Are you gonna put that little piece inside too? Thank you. No? Then put it in Papa's boot. Where'd it go? What? You gonna stand up? Show them how you do. Show them how you stand. No? Not gonna do anything because we have out the camera? Where's Pudge? Pudge! Pudge! Come here, Pudge. Come here, Pudge. There's your dog. Now you gotta be nice. You gotta pet him nice. Just tell him no, no.
No, no.
When he licks your face, say no, no.
No.
Don't point at him, be nice. Pudge. Pudge. Come here. Yeah. Is that your puppy? Be nice. You're not a gentle child.
Dad?
Yes, that's your dog. Tell him go. Go. Just tell him no, no.
No, no. No, no. No, no.
Say no, no. How about if we free your foot here? Because you're getting yourself stuck. There. Now try. Uh-oh. Where'd Pudge go? Jennifer, nobody wants to see the back of your head. Where's your smile? Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yay, big girl. Yay! Can you go blah, 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 blah? You dancing? No, 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 no. You already broke one camera. Thank you. Jennifer. 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 Blah, blah, blah. Checking out your feet? Yeah. Jennifer, say bye-bye. Say bye. Do you want blow kisses? Mwah.